Hello, this is the Blues Clues group. I'm Vishal Kasaraju. Our team consists of the members of Jack Carroll, Brian Mason, Isaac Nettie, and Sydney Oclota. Our app is called the FishFinder, and fishing is a passion for a lot of people, but finding the perfect spot and connecting with other fellow enthusiasts has always been the challenge. With our app, it allows you to create an account, search for other users, follow them to see their latest catches. You can post pictures of your own and even add a location of where you caught the fish. And with our maps feature, you can see everywhere you and other users have caught fish, creating a growing database of fishing spots. These examples are a bunch of fishing apps that do something similar to what our app does, but not quite entirely. So this app, for instance, it keeps track of weather forecast, optimal fishing times. This app, it helps with keeping track of events and fishing locations. This app helps with finding gear, fishing gear. But as you can see, none of these apps have the social element to it. And that is what we wanted to add to our app, the FishFinder app. We wanted to combine both of the information of fishing locations and just fishing in general with the social element, where you can talk to other people, message other people, post fish that you've caught, and have fishing locations to those posts. And so we wanted to add that. And without our app, if we were to look at our life would be right now without our app, you'd probably say you move into a new town, you don't know where the best fishing spots are, you don't know anyone. You'd probably maybe scour the internet, maybe ask a local, and maybe trial and error. You just go find a spot and you try to fish. But that's a little bit complex, I guess, because with our app, you can just it cuts out all the hard work. You find the best fishing spots. You find people that like to fish. You can connect with them, maybe even hang out with them, meet with them, and you guys could fish with each other. And another way is for people that like to fish all around the country, our app would really help them because they might want to like keep track of all their favorite fishing spots. It's kind of hard when you're always traveling all over the country, and so with our app, it keeps track of that for you, and that's one way that it would really help users that would use our app. Our app was deployed and developed on Android Studio, which is an IDE, and it's designed for Android applications. It it was very easy to use. It has a built-in emulator. It's very easy to test and develop at the same time. So Android Studio is very easy to use. And then we also used Firebase real-time database, which was useful for storing data like usernames, post messaging, post locations, pictures, all that stuff. It was also very easy to implement into our code. So yeah, there was no technical difficulties. There's no trouble with using technologies because these were the only two technologies we used.
Hi, my name is Sydney and I'm going to walk you through FishFinder's account functionality. When you first open the app, you're greeted with a sign-in screen. For your privacy, your password will remain hidden as you type. However, you can easily view it by tapping the eye icon. In order to avoid signing in every time you open FishFinder, check the Stay Signed In box. If you are a new user, fear not. Simply tap Don't Have an Account and enter your information. Enter your email in the correct format and create a username. Choose wisely, as this cannot be changed. Next, enter your password. This must be a minimum of 6 characters and can include any upper or lowercase character from A to Z and multiple special characters. For security reasons, you will not be signed in continuously until you sign in again with the box checked. Once signed in, you view the homepage with everyone's post. If you look into the top right corner, you will find the Account Settings icon. In Account Settings, you are able to view and edit your account. You may edit your profile picture or password. You can also add a new account and sign in. However, if you want to return to the previous account, you'll have to enter its info on the sign-in screen again. And finally, you can sign out by tapping Sign Out.
Hello, my name is Brian Mason. I'm one of the developers of FishFinder. Today I'm excited to demonstrate how posting and friending work on the app. let me introduce you to my good friend John Pork. He's an avid angler, and he's recently downloaded FishFinder. Now he wants to join the fishing community more, so he's going to make his very first post. For this, he's going to go grab an image from one of his most recent fishing adventures. This is a picture of him and all of his friends, and now he's going to add a caption. After adding his caption, he's going to go put where they went fishing today. He went fishing at Lake Murray, so he's going to type that in the search bar, and then it pops up, and he's going to click on it. Now that he has his post completed, he's going to upload it. After uploading his post, we can see that it posted, and now it's on the front page. Now if we go and we look at John Pork's profile, we can see he has 0 followers and he's not following anyone. Well, maybe if he goes and engages with a community, like Johnny Bravo. Maybe we can follow Johnny Bravo. Now we follow Johnny Bravo. If we go back to the home screen, we can see that Mr. John Pork now has someone that he's following. Now if we switch to Mr. Johnny Bravo, go to the home screen, we can see, oh, John Pork has made a post. Now this guy seems pretty cool. How about Johnny Bravo follows John Pork? So now Johnny Bravo has followed John Pork. So if we click on John Pork's profile, we can see that he now has a follower, Mr. Johnny Bravo.
Hi, I'm Jackson Carroll, and this is the Information Center in FishFinder. FishFinder is not only a social media app, but a learning app too. Whether experienced or beginner, there are options to improve your fishing game. Through the variety of options here in the list, you can choose a bunch of different things for either finding out how to use the app, or things like fishing basics, advanced fishing techniques, or learning the types of fish. Through our database, you can learn tons of different things about fishing, from bait to different plants that you may encounter in nature, dangerous insects, and as well as common fishing laws. By clicking on each item, you'll be brought to this screen where you can see a detailed description of everything it has to offer.
Hi, my name is Isaac Netty, and I was in charge of the messaging implementation for our FishFinder app. Today, I'll be demoing a little bit about what that is capable of. Our user here just got their friend to download the app. As you can see, they have a bunch of previous chats displaying. These chats display the most recent message as well as the user that they were messaging with, but they don't have any with their friend yet. They ask their friend what their username is, and using the new chat button here, they can search up that username. Once they find the username, they can click follow and message, and they're ready to start messaging. Once they send their message, they can see it was sent by them, and it will display the time and the date that it was sent. And their friend here will see their new chat window pop up. Tapping into the window, they can see the message that they received. They'll see the time and date it was sent, and that it was sent by Nerd. They can respond and get to chatting about all their favorite fish spots.
Hello again, I'm Jackson Carroll. Are you tired of forgetting your fishing spots? Worry no more with FishFinder. With a built-in map feature, you can add your favorite spots to the map by simply clicking anywhere on the map. Or you can use the search feature to search specific locations and place a marker. Don't like the standard map view? You can try out the satellite toggle to get a more natural look and feel for the location. And don't worry about placing too many markers. FishFinder has a built-in cluster feature that groups markers too close to one another to make it more visible and a better viewing experience for the user. And if you click on one of the clusters, it'll bring you to all the spots shown on the map. But you may be asking yourself, how do I remove markers if I don't want them anymore? All you do is simply click the marker, and it highlights green, click it again, and it's removed from the map. As simple as that. Join the FishFinder community today and start exploring the world of fishing like never before. Thank you so much for watching this demo video, and we hope to see you soon.